Need more instructional flexibility in your technical training program? Then look no further than Amatrol's virtual simulators. With its hands-on interactive technical skill development, students using Amatrol's virtual simulators get the look and feel of using real industrial equipment via their computers. Backed by stunning graphics and easy-to-use interactivity, users will perform the same industry-based tasks they would using equipment hardware, developing skills desperately needed in today's modern manufacturing environment. Virtual simulators come standard with more than 20 Amatrol training systems spanning several different technologies, including electrical, electronics, fluid power, machining, manufacturing processes, mechanical, and quality assurance. With practical knowledge and direct application of skills to modern industry, Amatrol's virtual simulators gives your program the hands-on skill development it needs to take your technical training to the next level.